in case it's a first time here. Hello, my name is Liresi and karibu sana. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, comment and share to your friends and family. Thank you. So guys, today I'm actually at Ololua Nature Trail. I'm here to have fun, so I'm hoping you're gonna enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Yeah, so guys, here it's the Ololua Nature Trail. So these are entry charges. If you are a citizen and an adult, you have to pay 200 bob. Children, they pay 100 bob. Non-residents, they pay 600 bob, and children 300 bob. Residents 400 shillings, Kenya shillings that is, and children 200 bob. Yeah, then visiting hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So guys, you can come here and enjoy. With that information, let's go inside. Ololua Nature Trail. So I think this place is very beautiful, a hidden treasure in Karen. So come and visit this place and have fun, record videos, take photos, So guys, when you come here, there are different activities that you can do. Activity number 1, so I'll be telling you as I move, So activity number 1, you can come here and ride bikes. Bike rental. You can rent a bike, then you ride. You get that? So guys, here, bike rental. This way, and this is a camping site. I don't know, this side, I'm at this side, right? Guys, one more thing that you need when you're here, it's water. Yeah, so guys, this is the place that I was telling you about, bike rental. So I'm here, I have rented my bike, so I'm going to ride the bicycle. Okay, so let's go. You actually have to pay 500 for rent, 200 for rental. Yeah, so guys, it's actually 200 bob if you wanna rent this bike. Have a look at it. So I hope I'm going to enjoy riding. Woo! Yeah, I can. Nimeshika. Guys, it's enjoyable but tiresome. The hilly and rocky slopes of Ololua Nature Trail. You have to come and experience this. So, I think I just want to keep on riding, and riding. I'll be back to you shortly. Let's go. Hey, guys, these are the hills that I was talking about. You see this? So I just have to kushuka chini kidogo and use my legs. Hi guys, we are at the camping site and here is where people come to camp. So you can come here with your team or you can come here personally. No, camping requires a team or something. So let me just show you around. So when you are with your team, these are the seats that you are supposed to sit on. I think so. So you sit here, yeah. As you discuss your matters, you can see there are so many. There's a fireplace right there. You can see the smoke is still smoking or coming out. So this is the fireplace. You see? Yeah. So come to this place with your team, with your staff, and you can camp and have a good time right here. Come and enjoy yourself. Okay. So yeah, so guys, I can see smoke is still here, probably indicating that people were here maybe last night or something. So yeah guys, right now I'm still at the camping site. I'm just resting, I'm from riding the bicycles and I'm kind of tired. So guys, the experience right here, it's kind of, I love it, from the start, getting in. This place is highly recommended. Come and see this hidden treasure in Karen Ololua Nature Trail and have fun. Yeah, so guys, right now I think I'm just going to keep on riding. Then after that, I think I've seen something like a waterfall or something. I think I'll visit that place. So keep it locked, and I hope you're going I hope you are enjoying this video. But please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the post notification icon so that when I upload my next video, you'll be updated or you'll be notified. Give it a like and share to your friends and family. Let's go. So guys, this is my baby for now. She's beautiful, right? So before I embark on my riding journey, let me quench my thirst. Let's go. Guys, I'm done with riding my bicycle. So right now I want to go to the waterfall. Guys, this place is very nice. Let me just show them the nature. Guys, come and visit this place and have fun. Just have a look how beautiful this place is. Yeah, so guys, I think we have to look for that waterfall. I don't know where it is, but we just follow the routes and everything up to that place. So keep it locked. Let's go. So guys, before we move on to the waterfalls. We have this cave right here. I think people are inside. So these caves, so this one was used by our freedom fighters. It was used as their hideout. So come, let's see what's inside. I think people are already in. So let us see. Yeah, so guys, I'm right inside the cave. This place is totally dark. You can see, actually we are using our torch to just, get clear picture of me, but you can see it's very dark. I think we should switch off the light. Just show them. It's not that dark. Inaonekana kitu. So guys, can you see me? Nope. So guys, I can't stay any longer here. Just go. Please make it lucky. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like, comment below, and share to your friends and family. Yeah, so guys, that's how I spent my day at Ololua Nature Trail. Guys, I'd like to advise you guys, or rather to recommend this place. Come here and have a nice time. Come here and enjoy yourself, have fun and all that. Ololua Nature Trail. It's located in Karen, Nairobi. So guys, thank you so much for watching once again, but please consider subscribing. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.